When quality systems, engineering expertise, advanced production technology, and a strong culture work together, manufacturing becomes predictable. That predictability is what allows complex programs to succeed, reducing risk, improving performance, and giving customers confidence that every shipment will meet expectations. At Mitotec, each department plays a role in that outcome. Quality ensures control and verification. Engineering builds processes designed for stability. Production delivers consistency at scale. And our people bring experience, accountability, and continuous improvement to every program. The result is more than precision machining. It is a manufacturing system built to perform reliably over time. Our customers depend on us not only for capability, but for consistency, knowing that processes are controlled, communication is clear, and performance remains steady as programs grow. We understand that the parts we produce often support critical applications where reliability matters, timelines matter, and trust matters. That responsibility drives how we invest in technology, how we develop our people, and how we approach every partnership. At Mitotec Precision, we are more than a machining supplier. We are a manufacturing partner focused on delivering dependable results today, tomorrow, and long into the future. Because in precision manufacturing, success isn't defined by a single part. It's defined by consistent performance, repeatable processes, and partnerships built to last. Mitotec Precision, engineered for consistency, built for production, and trusted to perform.